What is up, everybody? This is going to be the assembly video for my Weds Kranze LXZs. We're doing it in my room because the garage is cold, and with the silicone I don't want to take any chances and stuff like that. So I got Barky here, and my dog over there. So to start this video, I'm going to go over what you guys are going to need, or at least what I'm using for these wheels. So to start, I got some GE clear silicone all-purpose, 100% silicone. Got it at Home Depot. It was $5. I returned the DAP silicone. I didn't see anyone that actually used that, but a lot of people are using this stuff right here, so I got it instead. You're gonna need a caulk gun for that. Tape, any tape will really work. Painter's tape, I mean. A 10 millimeter wrench for the back side of the hardware, which I left downstairs. Razor blade in case you need it. The socket for the hardware extension with the foam piece, like I talked about in the last video, and then a ratchet in case you need that. Got some scissors and microfiber, and then my torque wrench and your hardware. So here's my wheel. This is one of the fronts. I went ahead and polished the lip the other night. It looks pretty good. You can tell the faces have some, I don't know what it is, defects or whatever, though. Eventually I'll get them refinished, but right now I don't really care. I polished the faces as best I could as well, and it looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this one now. To start, you're going to want to put your valve stem in probably, but I'm still waiting for mine, so waiting for mine to come in is what I should have said. So yeah, I can't do that yet. So we have it together, but we just haven't dropped the bolts in yet. You can tell all the holes are lined up. Make sure you line up the where the valve stem goes. There will be like a special cutout for that on the lip, face, and barrel. So yeah, make sure it lines up, and then push down on it really hard so it's in there. And then go ahead and begin dropping your hardware in. Okay, so now we got all the hardware in, not all of it, just the bolts actually, and then so we're going to go ahead and start putting the nuts in. So now we have all the bolts hand tightened, as you just saw. Another note is that some people, when they add the silicone, they put it on before they attach both of these. I'm actually going to do it after and fill in the crack rather than placing it on the barrel. That's just personal preference. I think either way works, but that's what I'm going to do. So now we're going to go ahead and torque the nuts and bolts. We're going to do a certain pattern, which we'll show you guys. So, yep. So for the torquing aspect of this, we're going to do a sort of like a star pattern, but only it's really like a plus, it's not a star. We're going to start here, go up there, there, and then there. And then we're going to go in a circle. And as far as the torque specs go, I've seen a couple different numbers. We're going to start at 22, and then we're going to do 28. I think that will give us a pretty good seal, sure. And then we'll actually seal it with the silicone after that. So here we go. So we just got done torquing at 22 foot-pounds. Now we are going to torque it at 28 foot-pounds, going in a circle again. So now we can silicone it and seal it, and then after it cures, we're going to torque it one more time at 28 foot-pounds. I might go to 30. I'm going to do some more research on that, but I'll let you know when I do it. So yeah, let's go ahead and seal this now. Alright, so we got it all siliconed up. You can tell there's like barely a line in there, but we're going to do it again in a minute. This stuff smells terrible, so I'd wear a mask or something because it actually is disgusting. Alright guys, so we just finished up sealing it. I left the tape on. We did it three times. Pushed down really deep in the center the first 2 times to kind of like shove it in the crack, and then on the 3rd time we smoothed it out and made it look flush. So now I'm going to wait till it dries and then take the tape off. I'm going to let it cure for a while. This stuff smells really bad and it's super hard to get off your hands, so wear latex gloves and use masks. Other than that, it's pretty much done. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.